Welcome back. Today's episode, we're going to be building an Aspen rail just like this one. We're going to walk you through the process from prepping all the logs, notching them, drilling them, putting the tenons, these dowels on the ends, to installing this thing. The video is an older video, so bear with us on the footage. I've got a couple of subtitles in there to kind of explain things as we go. Our videos are getting better, but this is an older one, so please just bear with us and enjoy it. Okay, so we just got the mandrel installed. Now we're going to measure for an Aspen rail in the stairwell. Okay, we're back on Rudy's Aspen railing. Dustin cut all my posts for me, got them all sanded up. I need to take and cut a saddle notch out of it. I'm going to start with the corner notch, and that's going to be post number 1, and then we'll work our way around the stairwell and down the stairs. So we'll go back outside and show you how we notch these. The wind's blowing pretty bad, so may not do a lot of talking. You can just see kind of what's going on. Yeah, the wind's horrible. So I got a straight line here. We're going to take all that, then we're going to tip the log up on a 45. We're going to take that and we're going to leave that part right there. This hasn't been started for 2 weeks. Oh, isn't that lovely? Can you even believe that? It's Monday all over. Guess what? We gotta go tear this old Husky apart and put a starter rope in it. It just never fails.
I'm telling you what.
I think it's time to go watch some baseball, isn't it?
Yep. You gotta take it all apart to get to it?
No. You take this. See this right here? If I can find the end. It's tied up in a knot. There we go. So you put it in this groove, but then you need to remember which way to spring it to wind it back up.
Yeah.
What do you think? You gonna break that off again?
It's quite short. There's a possibility, but I hope not. Been working on these notches for this job up to Strawberry. This one was pretty tricky right here, because they left 2 inches at the top of the stairs straight, and then it was 37 degrees. So I had to do the straight notch and then the 37-degree notch. Hopefully that fits. I've got all of the posts notched. I need to get Dustin a few more measurements on this rail so that he can stay busy while we go butch that and get it done. These 2 logs here are my top and bottom, but I need a 3-inch tenon cut on them before I can put them in the posts. Okay, so for those of you that don't know what a tenon cutter is, the pencil sharpener, that's the tenon cutter right there. Go ahead and tenon those, please. That's a pretty rail right there. I got Bodie, Dustin, cameraman, and myself. We've got this Aspen rail that we've been working on for a little while. Hopefully it goes as planned and we don't have any mishaps. Okay, what we got to do here, Wyatt, is this. They call this a shoe, and they butt the flooring up to this. But we are an inch, so we got to cut this trim out to get that post to set down in there, flush against the wall. This battery's about shot. It's got a bolt, and it's not cutting into the crack. So. This right here is an awesome tool. There we go, now try her. Push down. Ooh, there we go. I like it. Okay, so now we need section number 1. Where's the hammer? Grab that orange hammer, bud.
See if you can't start busting stuff.
Yeah. Just tap down right there. If it does, then we don't have to worry about that. Try. These spindles are loose, and so I'm going to put the cracks in line with another spindle so you don't see them. Okay, the contractor, just before he left, told me to measure for a gate. They have 2 great pair of knees, and they're thinking they want to put a gate in here. So we're going to have to put a half log against the wall and then measure the gate. Thanks for watching our video, and we will catch you on the next one.